Tanium Review. App: the pros, the cons. If your business needs advanced cybersecurity and endpoint management, the Tanium app promises enterprise-level control, but is it really as powerful as it sounds? One of the biggest pros is real-time visibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's just antivirus software. Tanium allows teams to monitor thousands of devices simultaneously, track system health, and detect vulnerabilities instantly. This kind of insight is crucial for preventing security breaches and managing software across large organizations. Another advantage is rapid remediation. The app enables admins to deploy updates, patches, and scripts remotely, which reduces downtime and improves efficiency. It also integrates threat intelligence and compliance monitoring, helping businesses meet regulatory requirements with less effort. However, there are cons. Tanium can be complex to set up, requiring trained staff for optimal use. Some smaller businesses may find it expensive, and the learning curve can be steep for teams new to enterprise endpoint management. In conclusion, the Tanium app is a robust tool for organizations that need real-time monitoring, security, and rapid response capabilities. The surprising truth is that while it's highly effective, it's best suited for companies with dedicated resources ready to leverage its full potential. For enterprises that want comprehensive control and top-tier cybersecurity, Tanium is a serious contender, but it's not a plug-and-play solution.